This guide will walk you through the process of creating a new survey and implementing a URL. Begin by creating a new survey. Select the type of survey you want to create. Proceed to the next step in the survey creation process. Enter your survey name first. Fill anything in place of survey name for your reference. Choose the project manager for the survey. Select the number of sample required for this survey. I'm going to enter for example 100 over here. Go to LOI section for setting the length of interview of this survey. I'm going to enter 15, means this survey will take 15 minutes of time. Then type the incidence rate or IR of the survey. Enter the desired incidence rate. Select the country field in the survey. Choose the specific country options for the survey. Set the survey cost per interview. Our recommendation system will automatically provide a minimum CPI to work with. But you can the CPI and adjust to your needs. For example, I am going ahead for $2 instead of $6. Finalize and create the survey. Name the survey for reference. Navigate to a live URL location. Paste your survey URL over here. We need to edit the survey URL to pass Mirats Quanto DIY variable. You need to pass the variable %rid%, where you want us to send our respondent ID. Go to test URL and copy-paste the same survey link or paste the test URL. Input the desired text. Save the survey progress. Access the qualification settings. Add a qualification criteria. Navigate to a specific location. Set a question related to travel history. Check on Select All for all the options related to survey displayed to the user. Write your desired text. Select the correct conditions. Select the conditions. Select another correct condition. I am selecting Europe over here. Apply the qualification criteria. Access the quota settings. Add a new quota. Select the qualification question for which you need to apply the quota. Make changes to the quota. Fill the desired quota split in both the correct conditions of this question. For example, I filled 60 in North America and 40 in Europe. Save the quota settings. Access the security settings. I want only mobile traffic, so I am going to disable the tablet and desktop settings. Save the security and device settings. Access survey details. Change the survey status. Congratulations, now your survey is live. From creating a survey to setting qualifications, adding quotas, and ensuring security measures, this guide provides a comprehensive walkthrough to create and implement a survey URL effectively using Mirats Quanto.